Welcome to the Faster, Easier, Better show with your hosts Lee Silber and Ellen Goodwin.
Welcome to another episode of the Faster, Easier, Better show. I'm your co-host, Ellen Goodwin, along with my co-host,
Lee Silber.
Hey, Lee.
What's up? We're going shopping.
We're going shopping?
We're talking about things that are opening up. And as much as I enjoy having things delivered to my doorstep,
Yes.
I still think going shopping and seeing and touching and feeling and smelling all the groceries, all right, that's probably wrong when you're in the produce section. but
Hands off, son.
I don't know. I mean, I just want to revisit some of these things I used to do that I wasn't able to do, but I want to do it efficiently. And I thought grocery shopping can go sideways so fast.
True.
Step one, go by yourself. Or step one, order and have it delivered. No, step one.
Step one, we're going back in the grocery store. There's a lot of people that just got delivery forever and ever, and they may stick with it because it is efficient. But going to the store is a whole another thing. And I personally, while I thought delivery was nice, I'm like you. I want to, especially with produce, I want to see and touch. I wanted avocados I could use today, not in 4 days.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, obviously, one of the things that would have to go on the list of things that make you more efficient when shopping is having a list.
Always having a list.
Not having a list, not efficient. Having a list that's divided up or written out in the way that the store goes. And that's another one. Having your go-to store that you know is better than a store you have no idea where things are. So you go to your go-to store, you have your list, you're a brand person, so it's so much easier. You know that you like this brand, you just grab that brand of whatever it is, spaghetti sauce, you know that's the one you like and you use. Boring, but efficient.
Yeah, that's the one thing about, efficient versus inefficient is efficient sometimes doesn't allow us to try new things or, that we can vary our lives. But in the interest of getting in and out of a grocery store, totally know what works for you. Just, I'm going to take this brand. There's probably no real good reason why you don't like that other one, but Grandma used this, so I'm going to.
I like the ad. They got great commercials. Come on. You're paying more, but mostly because they're advertising.
Yeah.
Hey, wait a minute, Dad. So I can't go with you to the store and Twinkies are on the list?
That's my child from another mother, brother. Wade, the producer.
That's our producer.
I feel like having the kids along is a detriment. But if there's nowhere else to put them because the trunk is so hot in the summer, just duct tape them, their hands and their mouth. You're here, but you got to use that.
This is obviously hard for you to do because your boys are too big to put in the cart anymore.
True. But then I want to get this bread. And it used to be that all the expensive kid stuff was at a lower level, at their eye level.
Oh, yeah.
Dad, why can't we get these? Well, son, because there's not one healthy ingredient in this, and it's expensive. But Dad, fine.
Yes. Okay, so go alone. What's your next one?
Have
a list.
I was on a roll. You ruined it.
Oh, fine. You should also do your podcast on your own.
Oh.
All right, I got the next one.
Good.
What?
It's that you got to go to the store that you know.
Yes.
That's what he said.
No.
We think alike. Because we come from, he's my brother.
But you do have to go to the store so that, you can just okay, I have to get 2 things and I know exactly where they are. And then every once in a while they change the store and you are just, oh my God.
Target did that, yeah. And I was...
Where's my stuff?
I was lost. I had to ask for help. And as you know, as a man, that's quite a big step. And the guy, he was just wearing khakis with a red shirt. He didn't even work there.
He didn't work there.
I'm like, you're a manager now. Congratulations.
Okay, what else?
Well, now that we're shopping and we're waiting in line, the thought process is always, there's like, these people have very little in their cart, and there's 6 of them. And then there's this one lady that's got a bunch of stuff in her cart. And which line do I get in? Most people go with the line with the 6 people with the little amount. That's actually slower.
Absolutely.
Because each of those transactions takes time, versus this person, assuming they're not like, where's my coupon?
Yeah.
It's faster.
Yeah, because you have 6 opportunities for something to go wrong, and you've got 6, and one of them is going to pull out a checkbook. And you're not like,
What's that?
well, where'd you get that from?
Yeah, she said, yeah. It's like an ancient map. It's all crusty and.
Yeah. So just go with one opportunity for things to go wrong and hope you didn't pick wrong.
And then my wife says, she likes to bag her own groceries, and you would think that's inefficient.
No.
But she does it by where it goes in the house, meaning these things, maybe eggs and milk shouldn't be in the same carton, in the same bag, but whatever. That's what I mean. Like,
here's
things
all
that go
the
in the
frozen.
fridge. Yeah,
here's all the frozen stuff, so I can just take that to the freezer. Here's the stuff that's going to go to the bathroom. Here's the stuff that here's the produce. Oh no, it's absolutely more efficient to do it yourself.
And she shops in that manner, meaning she'll go to the frozen stuff last.
Oh right.
Because that way, when I call, can you pick me up a Starbucks on your way home? She can do it. I know, it's all about me. Always about Lee.
All about Lee. Oh my gosh.
All right, I got more.
Oh, she said.
I do like coupons, and I do use them.
Do they still make them?
Well, yes and no. They still make them.
Okay.
But there's more efficient ways to use your phone to organize them, and it's just a show your phone, and they're all calculated at once. It's not like you're going one by one by one.
Oh, okay.
So, I mean, I think that makes a lot of sense. And let's see, did I cover everything that I said? Speed shopping. I find that shopping late at night is good.
Oh yeah.
Some things are out of stock. That's the downside of this.
That's the downside.
I call it my workout. And I'm just running around the store. Got my headphones on. And I got my kids duct taped in, and we're going.
How fast?
I got a question for you. How about self-checkout? Do you do that?
I do. I like it. But if there's a problem with an item, it takes longer.
Right. I never do because you can't take alcohol through there.
Oh, and you don't trust yourself. I think I scanned it, but I don't know.
No, I rarely. Well, the store I go to doesn't have it, and then I rarely do it if I have a lot of items, especially because if you've got a lot of produce, it's like, oh, there's no sticker on it, so it would be a
luxury
game time decision.
What about you, Wayne?
I only do self-checkout when I only have one or two items, but I always only have one or two items, so it's not a problem.
So this next tip, bulk shop. We'll just skip right up. Forget
bulk
that
shop,
one.
and I think Wayne is also. I think Wayne's wife
I'm
is
not
shopping
qualified.
alone.
Yeah, I'm not qualified to bulk shop. Sorry.
Oh, right.
Oh, you don't have your license?
He's not got the stamp. The last thing I'll say is on your shopping grocery list, a lot of people write what they need. Write the quantity.
Ah,
Because I always get there like, wait, do I need one of these, two of these? And now, I don't know, we have like 3 cumins. Is that right?
Yeah.
The spices?
I don't have any.
Oh, well, there
Darn,
you go.
I wish I would have known.
I'll send a couple over.
Can I have a cumin from you?
Absolutely.
All right. Well, be efficient when you're grocery shopping. Random topic, but it makes sense because I don't know about you, but I eat every day.
Oh, it's about getting out and doing things.
Getting out, doing things, and then
we could
eating.
do proper etiquette in the park. We could do... No, just kidding.
All right. That's it for today's episode. Follow, like, and review, and be back next week for another fun-filled episode.
Don't forget to spay and neuter your pet.